Chinese fishing nets are fishing nets that are fixed land installations for fishing. While commonly known as Chinese fishing nets in India, the more formal name for such nets is shore-operated lift nets. Huge mechanical contrivances hold out horizontal nets of 20 meters or more across. Each structure is at least 10 meters high and comprises a cantilever with an outstretched net suspended over the sea and large stones suspended from the ropes as counterweights at the other end. Each installation is operated by a team of up to 6 fishermen. While such nets are used throughout coastal southern China and Indochina, in India they are mostly found in the Indian cities of Kochi and Kollam, where they have become a tourist attraction. The Indian common name arises because they are unusual in India and different from usual fishing nets. The system is sufficiently balanced that the weight of a man walking along the main beam is sufficient to cause the net to descend into the sea. The net left for a short time, possibly just a few minutes, before it is raised by pulling on ropes. The catch is usually modest, a few fish and crustaceans which may be sold to passers-by within minutes. hope you liked the video. See you next week with a new video. Until then, like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.